Hi, it's Neil here. Welcome to another episode of Desk Setup for Beginners. I noticed that as more of us are transitioning from in-office work to working from home, more productivity issues arise, and most of them concern your desk setup. It takes time to make your home workspace as ergonomic as the usual office, especially if you're a beginner. But this video is here to help. Today, let's talk about 3 common mistakes I'm seeing in home work setups that could hinder your work greatly, and how you can fix them. First of all, this mistake is a nightmare for all beginners setup, and yet we always make. Yeah, I know you guys guessed what? That's cable management, and I'm no exception. I saw that people let all the cables on their desk drop down to the ground under the desk. The problem here is the power socket. If you put it on the ground, you have to take the cable down whenever you want to plug in. And that makes your desk look so bad and hard to clean up. Well, the solution here is to bring the power socket up to beneath the desk surface. You can use double-sided tape to stick it. Another way that I've done, and it helps me a lot, is to mount a cable tray. You can put the power socket on the tray, then plug all the cables into the power socket and leave only one cable drop down to plug into your home power socket. I recommend you check out the cable tray from Autonomous and also many other useful cable management items that we covered in our last episode, 4 must-have cable management items. The second mistake is document and stationery organization. This is not a big deal, but without a proper solution, it can be really annoying when you work. I can't count the number of times I lost my study materials and wasted time finding them, although I just put them on my desk. They usually got mixed up since I didn't spend time to organize them, and as a result, I can't tell which is which and simply lose them. Eventually, I installed a drawer and a bookshelf to keep everything organized when I don't use it. And of course, when I need something, I can easily find it. My drawer has 3 cabinets, each one is for a different type of document. For example, my first cabinet, I keep my study documents. In the second cabinet, I keep my work documents. And the last, I keep other items like phone chargers, earphones, or some other things I don't usually use. On the shelf, I keep my favorite books, so whenever I need to reset something, I can easily grab the book I need. If you're interested in the drawer, you can check out the filing cabinet from Autonomous with modern design and many different colors for you to choose. The third mistake is choosing a desk that is higher or lower than your seat position. When your desk is too high or low, you have to look up or down to your monitor and laptop. If you work for a long period of time, this will cause great neck and shoulder pain. That is why having the right seat position is important. Make sure your elbows are bent 90 degrees and measure the height of the table carefully before buying them. If you have chosen the wrong table, that's okay. You can fix it by choosing an adjustable height chair or invest in an adjustable height desk. Autonomous Smart Desk is good for that. When you sit to work for a long time, you can change the standing to help the blood in your body to circulate better. The Autonomous Smart Desk Core has minimal design suitable for all desk setup styles you want to go for. If you're planning to get yourself an autonomous desk, now is your chance to get it at a great price. Our Black Friday is happening with these special offers. Overall, I hope the 3 mistakes I mentioned and their solutions can save you a bunch of time and effort when you first set up your desk. Let me know in the comments section if you have any other problems with your setup. And don't forget to take advantage of our Black Friday promotion to get yourself the office products you need. Please like and subscribe to Autonomous for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the future.